Look at those babies. Got that satin, PVD, bronze. Ooh, choices. Choices. 12 different versions here in front of us. Which one to choose? Ooh, today's carry. Oh, and here we are going with today's carry. That Jared Oeser F22. F22 Kickstop. First time really gonna carry this knife today. These have only been out for maybe, geez, one day. These have only been around for a week or so. Check out that carbon fiber version with the satin inlay. All of these coming in Fuller M390 with satin blades. You see that flat grind. Frame lock. Titanium clip. Titanium backspacer. Overall, just first handling these in the past few days. Super lightweight, thin. It's also a thinner, short knife. This direction as well. Just lightweight, thin knife. I think it's 3.3 ounces. Also 3.375 on the blade length there. And yeah, that's gonna be today's carry. Stick that baby right in the pocket. See what happens. Oh, it goes right in. First time in the pocket, really. In all honesty. Yeah, right in. See what that looks like. See what that looks like. Sticking out about that much. Little pocket shot. Check out that Kickstop mechanism. Yeah, that flipper tab, but not connected to the blade, and well, we can see it sitting there. Flip this open. You'd expect that flipper tab to go all the way around, but nope. Stays up here on top. That Lee Williams Kickstop mechanism. Of course, these knives manufactured by Riot Knives, and you can feel it. But yeah, that flipper tab, not here on the bottom of the knife. So that way you can hold up pretty much as close to that blade as you want or feel comfortable with. No flipper tab. As most Riot's early lockup, it's got that steel lock bar insert for solid lockup. And another thing you'll notice on these Riot knives is the screw quality. You could zoom in maybe. Maybe zoom in a little bit here. The quality of these screws. It's all shiny around the edge. Maybe it's something minor, but yeah. These knives approach $400, so you're gonna really, be picky on what you're handling, and you feel it with the Riot knife. I mean, if you drove the Porsche and it didn't feel like a Porsche, you wouldn't buy it. Just saying, it costs more than the regular one. But yeah, you feel it. You feel the Porsche-ness. That Lee Williams Kickstop that we're checking out. And there's his little logo right there. on the back. So sure, with the blade part way down, that kickstop mechanism is pretty much free floating, or say free floating. Yeah, able to move around there. But when the blade comes down, of course it's right up against the blade and shoot it out, and then it stays right there. Works great, just brilliant design by Lee. And then there's that Jared Oeser maker's mark there on the front. Yeah, once again, these being the flat grind. A little bit of a swedge there on the top. Still thick there at the tip. Kind of makes it look, ooh, at certain angles, at certain lights. Oh, yeah, kind of right there. Makes it look like it has a, ooh, what do you call that? Ooh, it's dropping out of my mind right now. A different tip. Certain times you can't see that top swedge, and it looks like it has a, I can't think of that name right now. Sorry. Check out another version. See this, same one, the bronze. And that bronze does look nice against the carbon fiber. Black one. Ooh, the black looks nice against that carbon fiber. Look at that. And of course, back to that satin. And ooh, that satin looks nice against that carbon fiber. Ooh, tough knives. Tough to make a decision on which one to carry, that's what I'm saying. To carry one though, that's pretty much a no-brainer. Been looking forward to these coming out. If you didn't know, well, now you know. Here they are. Jared Oeser F22 Kickstop.